Hi, today we are removing the backgrounds of images. Yes, and we are using a website for that called remove.bg, and you do not have to install any app. So let's start.
So first, here go to remove.bg, and then here you can upload an image to remove.bg, or you can also choose from one of these images. Let's choose this image first with this person. Here it's removing the background. Here you can turn the background, and here if you can click on this plus icon or icon background, and here you can choose a background. Let's choose this one. No, this is not very good. Let's choose this one. No. Okay, let's see this one. That is pretty good. Here, let's also choose a color. Here, let's click on done. And here you can erase and restore. Here I can erase screens. I can erase these two people. Maybe I cannot. Sometimes. Yeah, I've got. You need to. You can only remove the things that are already in the image. Here, no. This is resetting. Let's go to background again and choose this background. We might choose this background. That is very good. And here you can click on effects, and you can add you can give him a shadow, or you can make a blur. You can blur the background. I want it to stay sharp. Here it's like over here. Very blurry. Here, let's click on done. You can also create with this picture a design with Canva. And here you can download this image file. Here I have another image of this person. I have removed the background, and here let's click on background and choose maybe this one. No, this one. You can zoom in on him. Let's see. Okay, let's keep this. Here you can click on done. You can add, of course, a shadow. And here let's click on done. You can also download it from over here. So here, this is how you use remove.bg.